Hello to you, hello to you, hello to Mason, hello to you, hello everyone. We are going to talk about our rainy day story again today. Last time we described different things or nouns in our stories. This time we are going to answer questions that start with WH, which makes the sound wah. First, we'll reread our story. It was a cool spring day, and Jan really wanted to play outside. However, it had been raining off and on all day, so Jan was left looking longingly out the window. Jan knew she needed to get dressed to play outside in the rain. She walked over to the coat rack and put on her rain boots. After her rain boots were on, Jan stood up and reached for her new yellow raincoat. She put it on one arm at a time. Once Jan's raincoat was on and all buttoned up, she pulled her matching yellow hat off the coat rack and yanked it down firmly on her head. This hat is red, but Jan's hat was yellow. The only thing missing was her umbrella. Jan decided to take it outside as well, just in case. Jan ran outside quickly and jumped into a big puddle. She reached out to catch a raindrop. Who says rainy days can't be fun? All right, so parents at home, I recommend that you take these sheets that we have, and if your child is able to select from a group of 3, cut them into strips or even fold them like I did. Or you could cut these into individual pictures and just present 2 options for your child to choose through pointing, eye gaze, naming. All right, here we go. Who is this story about? Is this story about Jan, a dog, or Mike? Who is this story about? The story's about Jan. Very nice. All right, here's our next question. What is happening outside? Is it snowing? Is it sunny? Or is it raining? What's it doing in the story? It was raining, right? What is it doing at your house right now? I don't think it's snowing, but it might be sunny or it might be raining. All right, here's our next question. What did Jan decide to do? Did she decide to read a book? Did she decide to go outside? Or did she decide to play with blocks? What did Jan do? She decided to go outside, right? That's why she needed to put on all of her rainy day gear. All right. When is the story taking place? What season is it happening in? When is it? Is it happening in the fall? Is it happening in the winter time? Or does it happen in spring? When does this story happen? It happens in the spring. Very nice. Spring showers, right? All right, here's our next question. Where is Jan at the beginning of her story? Is she in her home, at school, or is she outside? Remember, I'm asking, where is she at the beginning of the story? Where is she first? First, she is in her home. That's right, she starts out in her home. And why is she inside her house? Because it's been raining on and off all day. That's right. All right, where is Jan at the end of the story? At the end of the story, is she in her home, at school, or is she outside? Remember, in the beginning of the story, she was in her home. Where is she at the end of the story? She's outside. Very nice. All right, no picture for this one. You need to do your best thinking. Why did Jan decide to grab her umbrella, even though she already had her rain gear? Why did she bring it? Yeah, she brought it just in case. Sometimes even if you have your jacket on and your rain boots, if it starts to rain really hard, you want something else to help protect you even more. And that's why she brought her umbrella along, right? I always forget an umbrella when it rains. That's my problem. All right, friends, nice job on that. I will see you again next time for more of Jan and the Rainy Day. Until then, all done. It's time to move on. It's time for us to go. All done. It's time to move on. It's time for us to go. Bye-bye.